Now that we've completed our design, this is actually in the template section, okay? So what we're going to do first is we're going to rename, or we're actually going to name it because I changed the name on it. But we're going to name this, I'll just call it Skillshare Template. All right, so we can see the name is up there, and we're going to click Save down here in the lower right-hand corner. Now you don't want to send a template. You are actually going to make a newsletter out of it, or a campaign. So we're going to create a campaign. You have different options here. You can send it through regular email, you can make a landing page, and you can embed a form. But those are none of the options we're going to do. We're going to design an email. We click that and let the window open. And then you're going to need to fill out all this information as well. And in your content here, on the design email, you're going to search for the template that we just saved. So we're going to go to Saved Templates. And this is the template that I just saved, Skillshare Template. So go ahead and click on it. And it's going to apply that template that we just designed into a campaign. All right, so here it is, all made up, and it's ready to be sent to your subscribers, basically. Once you get it uploaded into your template, you really don't have to do anything right now because we've already done everything when we designed the template. So go ahead and click Continue. So there is a preview of my template. Now you're going to need to fill out all this information. Just add your recipients. You're going to write add from, which is you, and it will prop open a little box where you can type your name and your email address. Then you have your subject that you'll need to type, and you also have a way to share your campaign, and you can also connect your social media, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So all of these, all you do is click the gray button, then follow the promptings to connect your social media platforms to your Mailchimp campaign. Once you're done, you can schedule it if you want, or you can send it right away. Scheduling means that you can schedule it for a specific time. Say if you wanted to go 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, you can schedule it for that to go off, and it'll be sent to your subscribers.